Hey y'all, so this video will explain when you order the semaglutide from our compounding pharmacy and it's shipped to your house. This video is going to explain kind of what it looks like, how it's shipped, and the main components, how you draw it up into the insulin syringes, how you clean the vial, and yeah, we'll go from there. So when you order from our compounding pharmacy, it will come in a styrofoam container and it will ship to your house in three parts. It will have this that has the alcohol swabs and insulin syringes, the ice pack, and then the vial with the medication. Semaglutide with cyanocobalamin. We have it in 2 milligram and 5 milligram vials. And then you'll have the instructions right here. If you want to change anything, you can always let us know and we can increase the dose as needed. You open the vial, push, it has a child lock, and then we have that, and it comes in a tiny vial, and then it has a swab in there. Once you open it, you don't have to refrigerate it. We usually send 3 packages of insulin syringes and then also alcohol swabs. The insulin syringes, we pull it like this. So the insulin syringes look like this. They are units per mil. And we will send the instructions with how many units to pull up. So in order to pull up the medication, you're going to wash your hands. You're going to open up the alcohol swab, flip off the vial, and then you're just going to scrub that for 30 seconds. I'm just going to go ahead and fast forward this. And then we're going to take our units and we're going to go to between 10 and 15, depending on our dose. Some people are up to 20, just depends on what dose you're at. So we'll take off the end. It's this small end. So after you scrub it, you're going to take off the end at the plunger, pull that off, and you can inject whatever amount that you're going to take, inject it into there as air, and it will be easier to pull up. Inject that. And then you'll go between the 10 every notch is 1 unit, so we're at 12.5 is right there. If you're supposed to be going to 15, you'll pull it up to there, and if you go to 20, you'll pull it up to there. We are not going to inject this, so I'm just going to put it back. So you'll keep this refrigerated until the first use.